10th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్కి జెడ్పిహెచ్ఎస్ తనిఖీ. ఇక్కడ నేను వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 8 మీకు ఈరోజు నేను పంపించడం జరిగింది. చాలామంది వర్క్షీట్ ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పి డౌట్ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ నన్ను డౌట్ రైజ్ చేసింది లావణ్య అనే అమ్మాయి, ఈ వర్క్షీట్ ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పి డౌట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసింది. ఇంకా చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈ వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 8లో ఉన్నటువంటి డౌట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు. కాబట్టి అందరికీ విడిగా చెప్పడం కంటే ఒక వీడియో చేసి పంపిస్తే బాగుంటుందని ఆలోచనతో ఇప్పుడు మీకు నేను వీడియో చేసి పంపిస్తున్నాను. ఇంకేమైనా ఈ వీడియో చూసిన తర్వాత కూడా ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ నాకు కాల్ చేయడం కానీ మెసేజ్ సెండ్ చేయడం కానీ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఈ వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 8లో ముఖ్యంగా ఉన్నటువంటిది ఏంటంటే ద టర్మ్ మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్. వాట్ ఈజ్ మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్? The term magnification is indicates with the letter of M. M is equal to, here magnification means here the comparison of image size and object size. That means the ratio between image size and object size is called magnification. Hence M is equal to height of image hi by height of object ho is called magnification. It is one kind of determination. We can also measure the magnification in the form of distances, image distance and object distance. That means M is equal to minus V by U. Here V is image distance and U is object distance. By these two equations we can write like that: hi by ho, hi by ho. That means height of image by height of object is equal to minus of image distance by object distance. This is the formula for magnification. Okay. Here, if you see this equation, what the magnification is gives the information to us. Here, the magnification gives how the image size is to object size. It is the image larger than the object or smaller than the object. This information provides the magnification to us. Okay. Here if you see this equation, we can say that if the magnification value is more than 1, then the image is larger than the object. If the magnification value is less than 1, then we can say that the image size is less than the object. How it is? For example, now I am going to draw a ray diagram of an object in front of a concave mirror. How does the magnification of the magnification value is 1, and when it is below to 1 and when it is greater than 1, here I can draw some ray diagrams. You see here. First case. This is the concave mirror. It is whole, it is focus, and it is center of curvature C. Now I am placing an object in front of a concave mirror at C. That means center of curvature. Okay. Now it is an object. Now here we have to find where the image is formed due to this concave mirror corresponding this object. If you draw two ray diagrams for this, we can easily find where the image is formed. We all know that image is formed at C because the object is at C, image is also forms at C. To find the image position, here we have to take two rays. One is R1 and second one is R2. What is R1? It is traveling parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through the focus. Second one is the ray is started from the object and it is travels through the focus. After reflection, it passes parallel to the principal axis. Now I am going to draw these two ray diagrams. Then we can easily find where the image position is there. Okay. This is R1. Okay. Now this is passes through the focus. Second ray is travels through the focus. After reflection, it passes through the parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now where does these two reflected rays are meet? Here is the point. Hence, here the image is formed. Now we are going to discuss about what about magnification. Magnification M is equal to minus V by U, because here we have the distances of image and object. This is the object and this is the image. Here we have these two distances. Hence it is easy to find the magnification in terms of distances. Okay. Suppose the distance between P to C, the distance between P to C is X. The value of U and the value of V, that means object distance and image distance both are equal. At this time, both values are equal, hence it is minus. V value is minus X, U value is also minus X. Here X is the distance of the object and the distance of the image. Why do here we take a negative sign? Because light rays are traveling from right to left. Here our measurements are left to right. Hence the sign convention is negative. These two cases are applicable, negative convention, negative sign. Okay, minus by minus is plus, XX cancel, hence minus 1. Here the magnification value is minus 1. That means if the magnification is 1, what it means? The image size and object size is both are same, both are equal. This gives you the magnification 1 means this is. If the object size and image size are equal, then magnification value is equal to 1. What about if the magnification value is less than 1? What about the sizes of the object and image? If the magnification value is less than 1, what about the size of the object and image? We can continue it in our second video. Okay, that's all for this day.